mean, this is like the only time that someone won't get in trouble for breaking the Christmas tree. What's up guys, and welcome back to the Station Bakery. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Coco, and on my channel I like to share tips, tricks, treats, and trends. So if that's something that you are interested in, please hit that big subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you catch when I drop my next video. I'm using Merkin's chocolate for this tutorial. I'm in love. Maybe I'll do another video discussing the differences between Merkin's and almond bark, but for now I am using Merkin's chocolate. I'm going in and I am making homemade chocolate covered pretzels. Don't come after me. Don't come after me for how I'm doing this, y'all, okay? Don't come after me, okay? I'm just doing a very quick, simple coating of chocolate over the pretzels before I get started. So while they are setting, I'll go ahead and get started on my chocolate tree. I'm now using my silicone tree mold. I'm dumping in a boatload of white chocolate and I'm shaking it around to make sure that I'm covering and filling the base. Now you want to make sure that when you are creating this tree, you want to make it thick, okay? I mean, thicker than you would think that you would need it, but there are a few tricks and tips that you need to follow in order to be as successful as possible. I went through this process like 4 times for you guys because I was like, I know that there is a way, and I finally figured it out, and so here I am sharing it with you all. But I tried this 4 times before I figured it out, just for you guys. P.S. Gold leaf cannot go in the microwave. Don't ask why I said that. Don't ask what was happening. But just know gold leaf does not go in the microwave. You want to fill your tree mold starting with the base. I start covering the base first, and then I let that set for a little bit before I use my brush to go up the sides. You can also pour it and shake it around to get those things, to get the sides and edges covered. But when working with this tree mold, what I find best is to let that set, let it be cool, so as you are going in and putting in the chocolate on those sides, that it will firm up quicker and not slide back into the bottom of the mold. The edges here, just like regular hot chocolate bombs, is the key, but more specifically the corners of the edges are what you want to focus on. So once I have my chocolate mold coated with the first coat, I then go back to my chocolate covered pretzels and I just jazz them up a little bit, adding a drizzle with a few more bits of sprinkles. Then I wrap that in a nice cellophane bag with a twist tie and set it to the side until we are ready to fill our chocolate tree. You can actually make a whole lot of other homemade treats such as chocolate covered Oreos, chocolate covered marshmallows, whatever you want to add and incorporate into this breakable tree is a great idea. So now our tree has come out of the freezer. Again, we just put that in there to just let it set and to let it chill. And now I am slowly pulling away the edges. I don't peel it out until I go around the entire base, making sure that that chocolate has released from the silicone mold. This is very important to the process to make sure that it does not break. And voila, here we have it, our beautiful Christmas tree. That took me 4 times to do, guys. It took me 4 times, but I did it just for you. Anyways, now it is time to package this bad boy up and bring in the magic. We are going to fill the bottom of our box with a load of marshmallows because I like marshmallows, right? So once we do that, I am then going to flip my tree over and start filling it in that way. I did try making the shape with the items that I was going to put inside of my tree, but I found that that did not work. So I found that flipping it upside down and filling it and arranging everything first is the best way to go. Here I am stuffing it with my chocolate covered pretzels. I also have some chocolate covered marshmallow snowmans, some Hershey Kisses, some meltable, the Russell Stovers, hot chocolate meltaways, a few more peppermint snowman chocolates, and a pack of regular hot chocolate. Again, you can get really creative here and fill it with whatever you want to fill this with. So now I'm gonna take my hand, hold it in, and flip it over into the box of marshmallows. And then we're just going to tidy up anything that might have fallen out, and we are now done. Except for the decorating part, of course. Breakable Christmas trees are the perfect gift for families this holiday season. Something that you can do at home with your own family and have a lot of fun with it. As you see, I've added also the wooden mallets. I'll have those linked in the description below for you to where you can purchase them. They're so fun. They combine two of the best things in life, treats and smashing things. So, you know, I could not just leave this video without showing you how it works. I just couldn't, right? So here I've done a switch off with my husband because, you know, wanted to let him, you know, smash into the Christmas tree. He was looking very excited. So I let him go ahead and smash into it. And you guys, this was so much fun. Like, I wish that I could like just let you hear us, but like we were like just giggling so much, just like little kids. Like, it was so much fun to smash into this Christmas tree and see all the treats. Even though I knew what was already in there, it was still just such a fun experience. As you see here, everything is perfect. You can eat the chocolate pieces and the marshmallows, add those into your hot chocolate with your hot chocolate mix, your chocolate meltaways, have a little peppermint snowman to go inside to add a minty flavor to your hot chocolate. And I just think that this is just such a great idea, such a fun idea. And if you agree, be sure that you give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on those notifications so you catch my next video. Trust me guys, you want to see my next video that's coming. It's amazing. It's amazing. So make sure that you have those notifications so you are the first to catch it when it drops. I appreciate each of you for your love and support, whether it's watching my videos, commenting on my videos, liking my videos, sharing them, sending me messages on Instagram. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. Without you, I would not be here. I would not be able to produce this content for you. By the way, let me know in the comments below, what are some things that you would like to see from me coming up in this new year? A new year means new ideas, new treats, new fun. So just let me know what it is that you would like to see. I appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, peace.